Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this Netflix tutorial we're gonna learn how you can change your video quality on your Netflix profile, alright, in 2020. So to do this, log into your profile on Netflix. Now go up to the top right corner and hover the mouse over your profile image. Go down and click on this one, account. Go all the way down to this one, profile and parental controls. Choose your profile. I'm gonna choose this one. Click on this arrow. So go all the way down to this one, playback settings. Do not autoplay next episode, do not autoplay previews, and also this one, default video quality. So just click on this one, change. So under playback settings, we see this one, data usage per screen. We got auto, default video quality and data usage. We can also set this as low. So then we have basic video quality up to 0.0 gigabytes per hour. We have medium, standard video quality up to 0.7 gigabytes per hour. Or you can choose high, so best video quality up to 3 gigabytes per hour for HD or 7 gigabytes per hour for Ultra HD. Alright, so choose the one you want to have. If you want to save some data, choose low. If you want to have the best video quality, choose high. So in my case, I'm gonna choose high. After that, just click on this one, save. So playback settings saved. Okay everyone, so this is how you can change your video quality on your Netflix profile. And also if you choose low, you can save some extra data. So I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give a thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And please check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.